for another episode of What's Off My Hook? Are you ready to see what I have? Let me show you. Coming up next. Hi everyone, I'm Diette and welcome back to Turtle Creativity. Today I'm so excited because today we have another episode of What's Off My Hook? Well, on one of our first episodes, I shared this wonderful scarf with you. This scarf I really loved because it was nice and long, pink and black, and it has these wonderful little tassels on the end. After I got finished making the scarf, I thought, what can I make that will go with my scarf? Are you ready to see? A hat! So, friends, I crocheted this hat. It is majority of pink. So all of the hat piece is pink. And then the rim is black. Then I did a cute little puff ball on top that is made of yarn that I just wrapped around. And then I cut it and sewed it on top. I thought this would be a perfect match to my scarf. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Well, everyone, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this episode of What's Off My Hook, then please make sure that you remember to like, share, and definitely subscribe. Oh, and to stay in the know of everything that goes on here at Turtle Creativity, please make sure that you hit that bell. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone!